Hi, this is Yanis with Expat Launcher. I'm a registered health insurance broker and expat consultant specializing in freelancers. Today we're going to look at health insurance for freelancers in Germany. We're going to find out what options there are, which insurances get accepted by the Foreigners Office, and what insurances will cover your needs the best. As a freelancer coming to Germany, you will most likely be only eligible for the private health insurance system. You are only eligible for the public health insurance system if you were previously insured in another EU country. Other than that, you will be in the private system, and there are plenty of options to choose from. There are three different types of insurances in the private system. One is German private insurance, two is international long-term health insurance, and three is travel insurance. First, let's go a bit over the differences of each one. German health insurance is a very good long-term choice, most of the time the most expensive of the three, and also the hardest to get in. It will require you to have an initial health exam, and also you will have to prove in most cases that you already have a residence permit. If you can't prove a residence permit yet, most German private insurance companies will not accept you. However, the Foreigners Office will not give you a residence permit if you don't have health insurance. So it will be very tricky to get into the German private system at a first-time application. Secondly, there's international health insurances. Those are health insurances that are registered in a different state of the European Union. They are registered with the BaFin, the German Financial Authority, and therefore allowed to offer their services in Germany as well. The benefit of those insurances is that they let you in without an initial health examination, and also that you won't need to show a residence permit up front. The coverage is similar to German private system, but please be aware that for long-term residents, so if you plan to stay longer than 5 years, it will get more expensive. They're typically short-term cheaper than German private, but in the long term, costs might add up since they don't build up an age reserve. Travel health insurances would be your third option. And I only include this to complete the overview here because travel insurances most of the time offer a very, very basic coverage. They're therefore the cheapest at starting around 50 to 100 euros. And are really thought only for short-term stays. The coverage amounts are very low, and also they are not accepted by most visa offices. However, Munich and Berlin tend to be a little more lenient, so in these two cities you can get away at a first-time application. Latest at renewal time you will be required to switch to either international or German private health insurance. What should you look for in a health insurance? Well, we went a little bit about the coverage already, and that's really the most important point. You want to make sure that if something happens to you, that the insurance is there, and besides having a health issue, you don't also have financial problems on top. Secondly, you need to make sure you get approved. And with German private and international health insurance, you will be fine in almost every city in Germany. With travel health insurance, it depends where you go. Like I said, Berlin and Munich are a little bit more lenient. All other cities will most likely deny it. At the end of the day, it comes down to your personal situation. Do you have pre-existing conditions? How long do you want to stay in Germany? What city are you applying in? These are all questions that we can help you with. If you're interested, please go in the description below and set up a free consultation. I would be happy to speak with you and discuss all your questions and give you free quotes for your application. If you like this video, please click subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you soon.